Hello and welcome again. So in this session, we are going to discuss about the concept of ribbons in Excel. Normally, you will find the ribbons in every MS Office product. Let's say a Word or Excel or PowerPoint or Outlook. Wherever you see MS Office product, you can see the ribbons. So what we mean by ribbon? So you can see that this portion, the top portion of this portion is known as the ribbons. Okay. Now ribbons, how we get this ribbon? Ribbons comes under a tab. These are the tabs like Home tab, Insert tab, Draw tab, Formula tab, Data tab. Like that, we have many tabs. And under each and every tab, we have these ribbons, separate ribbon for every individual tabs. These ribbons are grouped by many icons, many options. Like you can see, these are the font group, alignment group, number group, style group, sales group, and like that we have many groups like functional libraries, defined names, and so many tabs, group, and full ribbon. Now by default, when you open Excel, you will get this ribbon. But suppose if you want to hide this ribbon, you want to maximize your working space. Worksheet, working space, if you want to maximize it more, then how we can hide this ribbon? So for that, simply go to the right side of any tab. Okay, go to the right side of any tab, and you can see here we have this small arrow. This small arrow is for ribbon. So if you click this, the ribbon will be hidden. Okay, it's like auto hidden. When you now you can work, keep on working. So you can see the window is little bit maximized. So when you again click on any tab, the ribbon will come out. And when you click inside the window, the ribbon will go out. And like that, you can keep on working on all the tabs with maximizing and minimizing a button with auto hide. But if you suppose you want permanently to bring this back, so click on any tab, and again you can see we have a pin option now. If you click this pin, it will be back permanently. Now again it won't hide. Okay, like that you can keep on working and it won't hide. Okay, so like that you can just click and hide it, and again you click this pin and unhide. One more option to unhide it. Okay, like you can simply what we can do, double click on any, you can see, double click on any tab. If you double click on any tab, it will be permanently displayed again. So like that you can show and hide your ribbons. Now how we can add more tabs in this? So you can see these are the permanent tabs which is from Excel directly. So if you want more tabs, you can go to File, and under File we have the option settings. File, and we have the option settings there, options. Now click on the options. You can see here we have a customized ribbon. Okay, now click on the customized ribbon, and here you can see we have all the tabs that is displayed like Home tab, Insert tab, Draw tab. So here we have Home, Insert, Draw, and these are the tabs. So if you want to hide something, you can again click, and you can even uncheck something, but these are permanent things. Okay, so like that you can make it. Like even we have a developer tab. So if you want to bring developer tabs here, extra tab will come. These are permanent tabs from Excel. If you want to create your own tab, you can simply click anywhere. Let's say here I want to click, and I say new tab. Click on new tab and write the name of your tab. Rename it. Let's say I say my favorites, or my tab. Okay, like that you can create your own tab. Now under each and every tab, as I said, these are the groups. One group, table group, illustrations group. So you can also make a group. Okay, example, just I say group number. So click it, rename again. If you want to choose any icon, it's okay. Otherwise, you can leave it. By default, it will be there. Let's say I just write group 1. Okay, so group 1, create a new group, rename it, choose any icon. Again, we can say group 2. Okay, group 2. So we have created two groups, one tab and to group in my customized tab. Now what will come under this group? So select the group, and here in the left window, left side, you can see lots of options that you can see. Okay, these are the popular commands. If you want more command, you can click here and we can see here commands, macros, and different things are there. You can click on all commands, and there you can find each and every command of this Excel. Okay, example, the window size is there, color size options is there, accounting numbers, assistants. You can simply click and add. Like that, you can keep on adding the add assistants we have, add chart elements. Like that, you can keep on adding any informations inside each and every tabs. Okay, so one group, I have many tabs. Again, I will go to another group and I can bring some more options in this group. Like that, you can choose your own options. You can choose anything, whatever you want. Okay, once you have selected the icons or the information inside the group, just finally make it okay. And once you make it okay, you can see we have my favorite tab, and I also activate developer tab. Right now it is not there, but once I make it okay, it will come here, it will display here. So here we have my favorite tab and a developer tab. My favorite tab where the options of my tab. So you can select and you can use these options. So any option that you use regularly, you can customize and bring it to your new tab in the ribbons, and it will show you here in the group and in the ribbons, right? So easily you can work on any ribbons or you can customize ribbons. So I hope you understand the concept of ribbons. See you soon for the next topic. Till then, thank you.